Hello everyone. My name is Dr. Anandita and I teach at the Department of Liberal Arts at IIT Hyderabad.
Hello everyone. My name is Dr. Sreenath and I teach at the Department of Humanities and Social Sciences, IIT Madras.
Welcome to this course titled Nation and Narration, which we are teaching together.
What is a nation? Is it born out of shared geography, bloodlines, languages, or something else entirely like stories, memories, and myths?
Well, a nation is not just a geographical location containing people. It is not merely a map with borders or a population governed by the constitution.
It is, at its core, an idea, imagined, constructed, narrated, and believed in.
This course explores the dynamic relation between nation and its narration, with a specific focus on the formation of India as a nation. At this point, you may ask, will you be following a linear historical timeline of the nationalist movements? Well, the answer is no. This course is not a mere narration of major events in the Indian nationalist movements, although the movement itself remains a crucial part of our inquiry. Instead of treating nationalism as a series of historical milestones, in this course we approach the idea of nation as an ideological force to see how it shaped people, their thoughts, their imagined world. Our focus is not on cataloging events, but on understanding how the idea of India as a nation was produced, narrated, and contested. Across literature, political thought, and cultural practice, we look at nation, its presentation, and its representation.
As Anandita pointed out, we will ask, how is the idea of India imagined, narrated, and sustained as an ideological construct? How did colonialism rupture everyday life? How did the anti-colonial movement respond, not just with the political resistance, but with a radical rethinking of institutions, identities, and imaginations? Indian nationalism, as we will see, was not just a call for freedom from colonial rule. It was a call to restructure thought, rewrite history, and reinvent the very language of community and belonging. Through literary texts, political speeches, memoirs, and critical theory, we will explore how the story of the Indian nation was pieced together and how that story continues to evolve, fracture, and provoke dissent.
Together, we will read the nation as a text, a site of imagination and struggle, of myth-making and silencing, of unity and exclusion. By the end of the course, students will not only understand the cultural and ideological construction of India as a nation, but also develop tools to question and rethink the narratives that sustain it.
By the end of the course, we hope to read the nation not as a settled fact, but as an ongoing story, one that demands to be questioned, reimagined, and retold. We will learn to recognize how narratives shape our sense of belonging and how exclusions are built into even the most powerful versions of unity. If the nation is a story we continue to tell ourselves, then it matters who tells it, how it's told, and to whom it is addressed. This course invites you to become not just a reader of these stories, but a critical participant in the re-narration. Thank you.